Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We'll continue doing these problems for the 4.1. We were doing just critical numbers. Okay, we did that was the last one we did. Now let me go to the next one. Yeah. The set of all critical numbers of this function. So what's the domain of f? All real numbers. Now we'll find f prime. F prime as theta. That will be minus 2 sine theta plus 2. Let me be careful. Yeah. Let me have a space. F prime at theta. That will be minus 2 sine theta. Okay. Plus 2 sine cosine. Sine cosine. Okay. That give me what? I can take 2 sine common factor. Okay. I have what? Minus 1 plus cosine theta equal to 0. Yeah. This is f prime at theta. No, this function always exists. I mean, the f prime. So we don't have the case where f prime does not exist. We have only the case where f prime is equal to 0. If prime equal to 0, I have sine theta equal to 0. And I have cosine theta equals to 1. So I need cosine to be 1 and sine to be 0. When sine equals 0, I have, what is it? 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and so on, also the negative side. Yeah. Okay. Is it? Yeah. Minus 2 pi and so on, which is n pi. Here I have n pi in this case, where n is an integer, Okay. Now, when cosine theta equal 1, it will be 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, and so on. And the same thing the negative side, which is, this is part of this. This is, let me call it the set 1. So this is part of 1. Because we have everything, 0, 2 pi, minus 2 pi, and so on. So it's part of it. So when this is equal to 0, and this is equal, so when we have the combined list, both of them. So this is part of this. I don't need it. I need only this, which is n pi, says that n is an integer. And that will be the answer. Okay. Then the sum of all critical numbers. Yeah, this function is, he wanted only in this interval. Okay, let me do the calculation. F prime 2 cosine x minus what? Cosine 2x. What is cosine 2x? What's the derivative of this? That will be minus sine 2x times 2. So actually I have 2 cosine x plus 2 sine 2x, which is 2 cosine x plus, yeah, I have 2 here, yes. I have what? 2 times sine, it is 2. Let me be careful. Sine x, cosine x. I can take 2 cosine x common factor. I have 1 plus 2 sine x equal. Yeah, this is cannot be. So this is f prime. And this is always exists. We have no problem for f prime to be does not exist. So I need to consider, I'm concerned only about is equal to 0. So I have cosine x equals 0. Or sine x equals minus half. I have a full interval. I mean, yeah, from 0 to 2 pi. When cosine x equals 0, I have x equal pi over 2, x equal 3 pi over 2. Okay, when sine x equal minus half, that should be where? In the fourth quadrant. Okay, and the angle is pi over 6. So I have, it will be 2 pi minus pi over 6. And that is what? Yeah, sine x equals minus half. 2 pi minus pi over 6. That give me, strange how that will be. Yeah, I did a mistake somewhere. This is minus cosine to x, it will be sine to x. Yeah, this is a minus sine to x times 2. Yeah, minus sine to x, so that will be 2 sine x cosine x. I took 2 cosine, I have 1 plus 2 sine. So I need sine x to be minus half. Yeah, sine x equal minus half in 2 places, in the 3rd quadrant and in the 4th quadrant. Yes. Be careful. So it will be this and also this, pi plus pi over 6. The reference angle is pi over 6, but it happens in the 3rd and the 4th. So this will be what? 12 pi minus pi over 6, that will be 11 pi over 6. And this is 7 pi over 6. So it is the sum here. So the total sum, let me find the total sum. You want the sum, huh? The sum of that. Yeah. It will be pi over 2 plus 3 pi over 2. Okay. And this is 11 pi over 6 plus 7 pi over 6. Okay. This is what? 4 pi over 2, which is 2 pi. And what is this? 18 pi over 6, which is 3 pi. So the answer is 5 pi. Yeah, this is, you need to be two places where sine x equal minus half. I need the full integral. Okay. How many critical numbers? So we'll do f prime. What is the domain first? The domain or real numbers. We have no problem with the domain. Okay. So f prime will be what? Derivative of the first, 4 over 5, x to the power minus 1 over 5 times this number. Plus x to the power 4 over 5, derivative of this, which is 2x, yeah, 2x minus 4. So I can take common factor, x is minus 1 over 5 times x minus 4. This is a common factor. What's the remaining? 4 over 5, x minus 4, plus 2x. Yeah. So this is, I can rewrite it, x minus 4. Here I have what? Be sure. Multiply this 4 over 5, x minus 4 squared, x is minus 1 over 5. 2x minus 4, x at the power 4 over 5. Correct. Now I have this, x is 1 over 5 here. Let me have 5 there and arrange this. This is 4x minus 16 plus 10x. Yeah, right. Yeah, 4x minus 16 plus 10x. Yes. So that will be x minus 4. Here I have what? 14x minus 16 over 5x is 1 over 5. I can take two common factor, no need for that. Okay. So f prime does not equal to 0. Sorry. F prime is equal to 0 means what? I have x equal 4 or x equal 16 over 14, which is 8 over 7. This belongs to the domain? Yes. Belongs to the domain? Yes. This is the domain actual or real numbers. Huh? F prime does not exist. Fx equals 0. Belongs to the domain? Yes. So how many we have? So we have 3 critical numbers. Namely, x equals 0, x equals 4, x equals 8 over 7. So we have 3 critical numbers. The sum of all critical numbers of this function in this interval. He gave me the interval. Okay. You want the sum of all critical. Okay, let us find the critical number. He wanted in this specific interval. So this is considered like the interval which I will use. Okay. Now what will be f prime at t? Derivative of the first one times the second. Let me write it as a power easily. Minus or plus t times. This is what? 2 square root 4 minus t. Yeah, let me write it as better. Square root 4 minus t. Don't forget derivative of this, which is minus 1. Okay. So that gives me square root 4 minus t over 2 square root 4 minus t. This is over 1. So I have 2, 4 minus t over 2 square root 4 minus t. So I have what? 8 minus 3t in the numerator over 2 root 4 minus t. Okay. So if this is f prime. So f prime is equal to 0, that means t equal 8 over 3. Is in the domain of f? Yes. Domain in this interval? Yes. Okay. Now, f prime does not exist if t equal 4. Yeah. But this does not belong to the interval minus infinity and 3, which is the interval given. So what are the critical numbers? Only one, which is t, is t, equal 8 over 3. So that the sum, just I need only one value, which is 8 over 3. The sum of all of the critical numbers of this function. Yeah, let me do the calculation. This is make it x, 4 minus x to the power 1 over 3. Okay, so it will be f prime. 4 minus x to the power 1 over 3 plus x times 1 over 3. 4 minus x to the power minus 2 over 3. Don't forget the derivative of this, which is minus 1. Yeah, almost the same as the one before. Okay, now I take common factor. 4 minus x to the power minus 2 over 3. Remaining here is 4 minus x. And in this one, I have what? X over 3. Yeah, is it? Yeah. Now I have 3 over 4 minus x to the power 2 over 3. Multiply, I have 12 minus 3x minus x. Wait a minute. This is minus x over 3. Multiply here this by this. I have 4 minus 6 to the power 1 over 3. Yeah, be careful with the calculation. This common factor, I have minus x over 3. Took 3 down, so I have 12 minus 3x minus x. Okay, okay. So now, just to be sure, so I have 12 minus 4x, which is actually, I can take 3 common factor, or 4 common factor. 12 minus, let me do it in steps. 3, 4 minus x to the power 2 over 3. Which I can take 4 common factor. I have 3 minus x over this. Now, what's the domain of f, by the way? The domain of f are real numbers. Okay. So f prime is equal to 0. That implies x equals 3. In the domain, yes, actually the domain are real numbers. F prime does not exist. So that implies x equal 4. In the domain, yes, in the domain. So what is the sum? Sorry. So what is the sum? The sum is 3 plus 4, which is 7. So that will be the answer. Okay. Let me try to do this quickly. If x equals c is a critical number. You want the sum of all possible values of c. Okay. This was the domain of, actually I have a specific interval, 0 to pi, open. Okay. So f prime will be what? 2 sine x cosine x minus sine x. So I can take sine x common factor. I have 2 cosine x minus 1. This is impossible, always exist. So I'm concerned only about f prime equal 0. So I have sine x equals 0 and cosine x equals half. With sine x equals 0, I have in this interval x equals 0, which is I will not include because it's an open interval, and I have only x equal pi. I have only x equal pi. Now when cosine x equal half, half means x equal pi over 3, first quadrant and fourth quadrant. And I have x equal 2 pi minus pi over 3, which is 5 pi over 3. So it will be the sum. The sum will be pi plus pi over 3 plus 5 pi over 3. That will be pi plus 2 pi, which is 3 pi. That will be the answer. Okay. He says this function, now it's different a little bit. I have a and b. Now let me do these two. They don't stop. Okay. Now the function has two critical numbers at these things. The function is defined, everything is okay. It means critical numbers. Usually critical numbers means f prime equals 0 or f prime does not exist. This is impossible since the function very clear is it's just a polynomial. So it means I have f prime at minus 1 equals 0 and f prime at 2 equals 0. Let me use these two to find a and b, these two information. So first I need to find f prime. F prime will be what? 3x squared plus 2ax plus b. Use the first one. So I have two equations, two unknowns. Huh? F prime at minus 1 will be what? 3 minus 2a plus b. That should be equal to 0. F prime at 2. I have what? You have 12 plus 4a plus b equals 0. So here I have what? I have, yeah, let me arrange it. Take everything to the other side. 2a minus b equal to 3. And in this one, 4a plus b equal minus 12. Add them. So I have 6a equal what? Minus 9. Huh? Minus 9. Okay. So a will be minus 3 over 2. Hopefully I did not do a mistake. Okay. Now, plug it here to find b. So I have minus 9 over 2 minus b minus 3, sorry. Minus 3. 2a is minus 3. So I have minus 3 minus b equal to 3. So minus b equals 6. So b equal minus 6. So this is b and this is a. Two equations, two unknowns. Solve it the way you like. So what he want? He want a times b. A times b will be what? Minus 3 over 2 times minus 6, 18 over 2, which is 9. So that will be the answer. Okay, if the graph, and I give you a and b, has a local minimum at this point. Local minimum means what? X equal 1 is a critical number. Okay. And the function is just a polynomial. So for sure it means f prime at 1 equals 0 because if prime exists, for sure it will exist. Okay, so I have only one equation, but I have two variables. Yeah, this point is point of the curve. Satisfied. The local minimum should be point in the curve. So it means f of 1 equal 1. So now I have two equations, two unknowns, just plug the numbers. First, let me find f prime. What will be f prime? A fraction. I have what? 2 over 3 x squared plus 2ax minus 4 over 3. Yeah, this is 6 over 9, which is 2 over 3 x squared plus 2ax minus 4 over 3. Okay. Now, f of 1 equal 1, that means what? 2 over 9 plus a minus 4 over 3 plus b plus 1. This is equal to 1. This is the first equation. The second equation, I have what? F prime at 1, 2 over 3 plus 2a minus 4 over 3 equals 0. This I can solve quickly. You want what? 3a plus 9b. Okay, who cares? Now we have 2a will be equal to 1. This is minus 2 over 3. Take it to the other side, 2 over 3. So it means A is 1 over 3. Plug it here. So you have 2 over 9 plus 1 over 3 minus 4 over 3 plus B, this 1 and 1 cancel, equal to 0. Yeah. So I have 2 over 9 minus 3 over 3, which is minus 1, plus B equals 0. In other words, B will be what? 1 minus 2 over 9, which is 7 over 9. Yeah. What they want? They want, this is B, so B equals 7 over 9. And this is A. So what they want? They want 3A plus 9B. 3 times 1 over 3, that is 1, 9 plus 7. And that give me 8. That give me 8. Yeah. Yeah, let me do this one. A ball is thrown up vertically with an initial velocity. If its height is this is the formula, h of t, 20t minus 2t squared. Then the maximum height reached by the ball is, you want the maximum height. The maximum height means h prime at t equals 0. That will be the maximum height, since just a parabola. Okay, parabola opens up, downward, so this is the maximum height, where h prime will be equal to 0. The function is just a parabola. Okay. So h prime will be what? Will be 20 minus 40. Yeah. The maximum height happens when t minus 40. 20 minus 40. Yeah. Is it? 20 minus 40. So let me say, yeah. So the maximum height happens when t satisfy h prime of t equals 0. Just a parabola, because for this example, very clear. This is a parabola. Huh? Parabola open, yeah, I don't know where. Yeah, but it's a parabola opens downward. So the maximum will be this, which is the vertex bending. So this is equal to 0. So you have t equal 5. T equal 5. So this is when t equal 5. I need to find the height now. What will be h of t at t equal 5, which is h at 5. That will be what? 100. 2 times 25 minus 50. And that is 50. So the answer is 50. Yeah. The next is, yeah, also this one. If the function now we have, wow, 4 variables, okay? Relative minimum at this point. So this is just a polynomial like what we did before. So I have f prime at 0 equals 0. And this is the point in the curve. So I have f of 0 equals 0. And the same thing here. I have f prime at 2 equals 0 and f at 2 equal 2. Because this is a point in the curve, relative minimum, maximum, minimum, it means f prime is equal to 0. Okay, now let me try to find these values. 4 values. Yeah. Let me find f prime also at the same time. That will be 3a3x squared plus 2a2x plus a1. Okay, let me start with the one with the zeros. That give me f of 0 will be what? 0, 0, 0, it's a0 equals 0. خلاص. So a0 equals 0. F prime at 0, give me what? I have this 0, 0, it's a1 equals 0. Good. So I'm getting rid of a0 and a1. خلاص. Yeah. So this is 0 and this is 0. So my function will be this, a3 and a2. Okay. Now, let me try to find a2 using this. F of 2 equal to, f of 2 equal to. These are zeros, so no need to worry about it. 0, 0. This one is also 0. Okay. So at 2, I have what? 8a3 plus 4a2 is equal to 2. Okay. F prime at 2 equal 2 also, equal 0, sorry. F prime at 2 equals 0. So substitute there the 2. I have what? Substitute here, huh? So I have 12a3 plus x equal 2 plus 4a2 equals 0. I have two equations, two unknowns. Okay. Yeah, I can subtract them since this is the same. Is it the same? Yeah. So I can subtract them. I have what? Minus 4a3. This is 0 equal 2. So a3 equals minus half. Plug it here. To have what? 8 a3. 8 times minus half, which is minus 4, plus 4a2 equals 2. So I have 4a2 equals 6. So a2 will be 3 over 2. So this is a2. This is a3. This is a0. This is a1. What he want? He want a3 plus a2 plus a1 plus a0. a3 is what? Minus half. a2 is 3 over 2. And the rest are zeros. That give me what? 2 over 2, which is 1. So that will be my answer. Okay. Now let me stop the recording of this. The remaining is just to find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum, which I will do in the next video. Let me stop the recording. Thank you.